मेरा नाम ललिता आहूजा है, मिसेस ललिता आहूजा। हम जो ये मिडनाइट प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये बेसिकली हम एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं लोगों को, बॉयज़ को, मेनली मेल पॉपुलेशन को, कि प्लीज़ प्लीज़ आई एज अ मदर आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, आई फोल्ड माई हैंड्स एंड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि you just have to consider the fact that every boy, every male has a sister at home, has a cousin, bhabhi, mother at home. Doesn't that give you some sense of, some sensibility? How can you misbehave? How can you mistreat other girls? Can't we? I request all the male boys, I mean it's mainly because today it's a question of women's safety from the other gender, to make it a safe place for girls. After all, tomorrow you also have daughters, you may already have daughters, you may already have sisters. So thoda sa sensitivity use karo. Make this place, make India, make the world, I say,
कैसे आएगी
सेफ। वैल्यूज़ पेरेंट्स की भी बहुत बड़ा एक, वी हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट वी शुड इनकलकेट values into boys. We put a lot of restriction on girls. Don't go out at night. Don't do this. Don't wear this dress. Don't do that. But we don't put any restriction on boys. Why? Boys need to be taught. Boys need to be disciplined. That's what I feel. I may be wrong. Had there been any decency, little decency in these gentlemen who raped a doctor. There's every second there's a rape in India, which is not reported. All rapes are not reported. अभी आपको recently आज का दिन का देहरादून का देखिए आप, एंड अभी चंबा में दिस जेंटलमैन मिनिस्टर इज मिसबिहेविंग विद अ गर्ल. कम ऑन. हमने उन बच्चों ने, उनके पेरेंट्स ने, दे वोटेड फॉर यू to protect your public. So many incidences every day. I mean, we should hang our heads in shame as a community, as a society. Are we responsible for bringing up our boys this way?
As Simla Collective are saying, reclaiming the space, do you think this midnight protest would send a message across India?
This is a silent protest. We do want to send a message. We want to send a message across to all the parts of India, not only Simla, that let girls be safe. Why can't girls walk around at midnight? Why can't girls do night duties? They are not safe. Or either a safe network or some kind of a safety net for these girls who are working at night, who are working in call centers, who are working in the hospitals, nurses, who are like, especially this case in Kolkata. It's shattering. Come on, a doctor जो हमारी सेवा करने के लिए है दिन रात, that girl works for 36 hours continuously to be rewarded like this.
शिमला से उनको शहीद घोषित किए जाने की आवाज भी उठी है
सबके. यस, एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. एक एग्जांपल तो हो. एंड सेकेंडली, आई मेड साउंड द ओनली पनिशमेंट फॉर सच क्राइम शुड बी कैपिटल पनिशमेंट. इनको हैंग देम. सेट एन एग्जांपल. 4 को भी हैंग करोगे ना, 4 तो डर जाएंगे वैसे ही. आई सजेस्ट, आई डोंट नो इफ एवरीबडी एग्रीज. व्हाट डू यू से? Capital punishment is the only solution. That is why they get away with it. 20 साल की भी अगर जेल होगी, 10 साल में हम निकल आएंगे. 10 साल के बाद हम फिर will repeat the same act again. So hang them here. You see, in a country, in a Muslim country, like for example Dubai, why can't we have that kind of a rule here? Why can't we? anybody who's been to Dubai will agree with me. रात के आप 2 बजे if you're on the streets, if you're in the hotel, you are so safe. You leave your belongings anywhere, you walk around anywhere. Girls, ladies are so safe. Why can't it happen in India? Anybody who's not willing to learn a lesson, anybody who's wanting to repeat all this nonsense, should be hanged straight away. That's then as a mother, that's what I feel. These are my feelings. We all have daughters. We all have to protect daughters. That's why we are here. We have daughters, we have sisters, we have everybody in the family, female. We want to protect them, we want to make this a safe place for them. And not only Shimla, the whole of India.